you could look at cover sheet E, like Edward, within that same exhibit, if you can say what is that document, why did you provide it?
So Exhibit E is Mr. Cantrell, while using the alias Mr. Mouton, his indictment in federal court, and it's from the United States District Court for the Northern District of California, Criminal Division, Venue San Francisco, and it's dated January 5th, 2006, and it is for the charge of 18 U.S.C. Section 1591, which is sex trafficking of children. The penalty, 40 years imprisonment, $250,000 fine, lifetime supervised release. Yeah, this is clearly Brady, so I turned it over, disclosed it.
She can't find a Brady violation. She can't find him credible. Bitch, you do not have to believe him. Believe the police reports. Believe the district attorney. Any other time you believe them motherfuckers. You believe whatever they say. Now, all of a sudden, it's you in a situation where you have to release Andre Dow. It's a problem. It's Andre Dow. So a motherfucker want to hold me, huh? You want to hold me illegally. I've been kidnapped, man. Period. This shit is something I've never thought in my wildest dreams would happen to me. How? I remember calling people and talking to people. Man, this is a blessing to have these videos so that you can see this shit. Because you wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. And then this bitch sitting there, and then you got other people of power that when they just read the documents, they go, okay, well, the judge denied it for these reasons. He wasn't credible. Well, look, Vanessa Murphy, you can't trust her investigation. You can't trust her journalism. Why? Because she is complicit. She's just like the judge. Bitch, you are assisting the judge and holding the legs of Lady Justice and allowing these freak bitch ass bigots to rape the Constitution. You done sodomized me for my liberty. And now I sit here upset about it. Now I'm not supposed to be upset because if I say something upset or if I show any type of frustration or anger, I am the angry black man. No, bitch, I am the mad nigga. Get this shit straight. You done violated me in the most egregious manner, and I'm tripping about that. I'm upset about that. And I'm going to continue to speak on that. See, it don't matter what I'm saying. Just like right now, this bitch can hear this, so what? Follow the law. It don't matter what I say about you. Follow the law. If I'm a white boy, I'm not here. There's no way in the world. But again, because of my pigmentation in hue, because I am black, this is where we at with it. This is how they attack us. They gun the nigga down in this criminal justice system. All I did was put my hands in the air. You know what I mean? Motherfucker said, show them my ID. I gave them my ID. They ran it. They seen I was Andre Dow. And this is what the fuck they did. They violated every aspect of the law. They have no respect for judicial protocol. So, you know, that January 6th video, we need to look and see if that bitch part of the Trump mob. I mean, because the conduct, she has a storm the Capitol mentality. The prosecutor with those barbaric linguistics falling from his motherfucking mouth. And then she's sitting here trying to protect it. You got to take a good look at that video. See? Because there was a lot of doctors, lawyers, and people of profession that stormed that Capitol, all white folks. So we got to see if this bitch is in that. We got to see if this fat, bigot white man was in that. So, hey, man, it's lockdown time. It's count time. I got to go.
This is a criminal complaint for Mr. Cantrell, who was using the alias Mr. Mouton, from the United States District Court, Northern District of California. It's a criminal complaint dated December 13th, 2005. And it says that on or about April 3rd, 2005, in San Francisco County, in the Northern District of California, defendant, which is Mr. Cantrell, utilizing the alias Mr. Mouton, knowingly in or affecting interstate commerce, recruit, entice, harbor, transport, provide, or obtain by any means a person or benefit financially or by receiving anything of value from participation in a venture which is engaged in such an act, knowing that the person has not attained the age of 18 years and will be caused to engage in a commercial sex act, in violation of Title 18, United States Code, Section 1591, and it's signed by AUSA. Excuse me.
Okay.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Michelle Morgan Kelly, and Honorable Elizabeth D. Laporte, United States Magistrate Judge, San Francisco.
Okay.
And this was the criminal complaint for his sex trafficking of a minor. And there's an affidavit attached as well.
Okay.
Now, again, all that. He get the 13-year-old, take him across state and county lines. They say, in the police report, she says she prostituted, gave all the money to Mouton. I didn't get none of that. Didn't know that this nigga did none of that. Do you think they was going to, just to show you how wicked and diabolical that fucking prosecutor is, the bigot bitch? He know that would have ruined his whole case. If you give me some shit like that, and I'm sitting in trial, and you got this cat sitting up here trying to be your star witness, the only witness. There's no DNA. There's nobody ever said they saw Andre Dow do a motherfucking thing, or I told anybody I did anything except Antoine Cantrell, who they're allowed to get on the stand and swear with his right hand in the air that his name is Mouton. But none of this other shit about him I had to defend myself with. This is what they hid. And this bitch did not find a Brady violation. There's out of all the shit you hear right now, bitch, you couldn't come up with one violation. You ain't gotta believe Mouton. Again, you ain't gotta believe him. Believe that police report though. Believe those government records. Believe what the FBI agent Sparrow wrote. It was enough to get him charged. It's a police report, or should I say a federal FBI report. I didn't get that motherfucker. That constitutes Brady.